This is a tour of Math 110, Mathematical Measurement and Literacy. The course begins with a video introducing the course and the objectives of the course. There is also an introduction video for the instructor, and every week begins with an introductory video explaining what to expect for the coming week. In this class, I work very hard to build community. There are 3 weeks worth of icebreaker introduction posts. In the first week, they just introduce themselves and reply to another student's post. In the second week, they tell a trivia fact about themselves and respond to other students, and by the third week, they're ready to form a group. They find 3 or 4 kindred spirits, and they find a group, create a group identity by picking a group name. During the course of the semester, there are a number of discussion board forums. There are places for them to ask questions about the various tests and to discuss some of the applications that we study during the class. And in addition to the class discussion board, students are members of groups. The groups have a group page, they have a file exchange, a discussion board, they have group wikis, and they can send emails. They also have group assignments, which they do together using their group pages. A typical week starts with the introduction video and then with the weekly checklist. It's posted in downloadable form, but it's also spelled out on the Blackboard site. Next comes the learning objectives for the week. It's important to tell the student what they should be able to do when the week is over. And then there is a link to the various attendance requirements. So in this particular week, they complete a journal reflection, and there's a link that takes them there. And then they post on their group discussion board, and there's a link that opens in a new page to their group pages. This is their lab that they'll be completing for the week. And here is a discovery activity that they use to prepare for that lab. Here's the instructions on learning this particular section in the book. And when they click to the next page, their ebook opens in a new window. The ebook contains many excellent videos, but in addition to those videos, there are always some extra videos that I find for them in order to enhance their learning. I also post notes in both Word form and PDF form for each section, and a PowerPoint presentation. There is also a direct link to their MyMathLab homework assignment. I also began a series called To Practice or Not to Practice. There's 2 short videos or other examples, music, each week that shows the difference between practicing and not practicing. This is to get them to understand that practice equals homework and assignments, and it makes a difference for your performance. So for example, in addition, there's a link that takes them to smarter proctoring so that they can set up their proctored exams. I hope you've enjoyed this short tour of Math 110.